when dealing with emulsified oil, if you're not sure if it's emulsified or not, what I've done is I've got the hot ring set up here, and I'm just going to show you the difference between emulsified oil, which we've got here. So this is the suspect oil. It looks emulsified, but I'm not 100% sure on it. And I've got some just new Quicksilver gear oil there. And on the hot ring, I'm just going to drip a little bit of each on, and you'll see the difference between suspect oil and fresh oil. So back up on the heat ring, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drip some of this gear oil on, and we're going to look at the we're going to hear and see the difference here. So here comes a little drop. So there's little to no sound, but just a lot of smoke. And now I'm going to drip a little bit of this suspect oil. So there's a lot of smoke, but there was an audible crackling sound. I'll just do it one more time. And that crackling is that's the water boiling as soon as it hits the hot ring there. So that suspect oil there is a little bit of water in it, so it is starting to emulsify. So we would be having to check the lip seals there. But what we'll do is, just for a small engine, we would just change the oil, and say after the next run we could drop the oil again and just check instead of doing all the lip seals for the sake of doing it. That's not too bad. It was just it just looked suspect, that was all. But obviously we can see on that test there, compared to the new oil, that there was a little bit of water present.